Hi, as you can see, I work from home, and I know the lighting in this isn't good and it's not a very professional video. I want to explain that you can work from home anywhere, like in a spare bedroom like this is. I want to tell you that you can get started making money online with absolutely zero budget. Better if you've got some budget. I get a lot of people that come to me and say they've got $50 or less. I've been looking for ways that they can guarantee success, provided they are prepared to work consistently and persistently. I'm not talking about long hours, an hour a day, every day, for as long as it takes. I can't promise you an easy ride. All I can promise you is that the ride will be worth it, because the destination will amaze you in 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. You'll look back and see where you've come from and where you are now. I'll show you how to avoid the pitfalls, how you can really not lose money, which is what 90% of people online are doing. They're actually losing money. They don't have an online business. They have an expensive hobby. Let's get you making money. Let's get you started. Join the webinar at the appointed time and I'll go through everything for you. God bless.